Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today we will study about electrochemistry next part, and the new topic is EMF of cell. This is represent by E naught of cell. So the formula is E naught of cell is equal to E naught of oxidation anode. Oxidation is occurs at anode plus E reduction takes place at cathode. So we have studied earlier that oxidation occurs on the left side and anode takes place. So anode has negative charge and cathode has positive charge. So if we write E naught of cell is minus E naught reduction anode plus E naught reduction cathode. So we can rearrange this equation to E naught of cell. This negative charge comes here and this charge positive comes here. So the formula becomes E naught of reduction cathode minus E naught of reduction anode. So E naught of cell is equal to E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode. So if in a question how to explain E naught of how to find out E naught of anode is given, E naught of cathode is given, because we have no clue. So let's solve a question regarding this formula. So we have given this example, given x oblique x minus is equal to plus 1.5 volt, and this z plus oblique z is equal to plus 2.5 volt. So predict anode and cathode. Firstly we have to find anode and cathode, secondly galvanic cell representation, and third is cell reaction, and fourth is E naught of cell, that is EMF of cell. So how to find about anode and cathode? So we have anode has lower value of E reduction and high value of E reduction is cathode. So here we have lower value of E reduction. These are reduction potential, because this oxidation state from 0 to -1, so oxidation states decreases, so this is the reduction potential. And here we have oxidation state +2, this decreases to 0, so it is also a reduction potential. So if the lower value of E reduction is anode and higher value of E reduction is cathode, so we have lower value of E reduction is 1.5, so this is anode, and higher value of E reduction is 2.5 volt, and this is cathode. So this is anode and this is cathode. First, second, galvanic cell representation. So we have on the left side we represent anode, and left side anode, LOAN, left anode, oxidation and negative. So here from minus to 0 oxidation state increases. So what happens, this is anode, we know that. So x negative to x, so this is -1 to 0, and this is cathode. So on the right side this is the representation of cell. Next, EMF of this is fourth, EMF of cell. So EMF of cell, E cathode minus E naught of anode. So E cathode is 2.5 volt and minus E 1.5 volt, there it is anode, because anode is lower value and cathode is higher value. So we have 1 volt is the answer of the question. And third we have cell reaction. What is the cell reaction of the representation? So cell reaction is at oxidation we have 2x minus is equal to 2x plus 2 electron. This 2x minus reduces to 2x at, and zero oxidation state, it has zero oxidation state plus 2 electrons. And cathode reaction we have zinc plus 2 electron adds, and we got Zn zinc at zero oxidation state. We gain 2 electrons to convert into zinc zero oxidation state, and here we lose 2 electron to convert into and x to zero oxidation state. So this is the cathode and anode reaction. Now the overall reaction we can see that. So this is the 2x negative plus zinc plus 2 and 2x plus zinc. This is the overall reaction of the galvanic cell. So we can see how this reaction becomes those two electrons, this cut itself, so this becomes the reaction, this adds. So this is the galvanic cell, EMF of cell, E note of cell. So thank you and have a nice day. Please do like, comment and share.